Hello everyone, welcome again to another Fusion360 video. In this video we're going to go over another one of our tools in our Modify tab, and this one I use quite frequently and it is very handy if you know how to use it right. So in this video we're going to be talking about combine. Now what does a combine do? A combine can be used in many different ways, and I'll show you this right now. So as we see here, I have already created a cylinder right here. I made a sketch of an polygon right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude this. Now what's important here is I am not going to join this polygon to this cylinder right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a new body, so it will keep it separate from this body. So we have this body and we have this body, and it is separate. So now what we can do with this polygon that we have extruded is basically we can go ahead and say, let's say we wanted to put a profile of this polygon inside of this cylinder, because we want this polygon to eventually fit inside that polygon. So what we would do, this. We would go to our Modify tab. You can go ahead and go to Move, Copy, or you can use the M key. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to highlight our body here. And as you see, we have these directional arrows. So what I want to do is I want to bring this polygon down. And you're going to see it. You can kind of see it through this cylinder right here. So basically what I want to do is I want to just put this down just a little bit. Let's go 35 millimeters. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit OK. So now we have our cylinder and we have our polygon that's down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out a profile in the cylinder using the combine tool. So we're going to go ahead and take our combine, and what we're going to do is we're going to highlight our target body. Our target body is going to be the one that we're going to separate something from. So we'll go ahead and hit our target body, which is this one, and we want to use our tool bodies, which would be this one. So it's going to separate. So as you can see, I just highlighted here and both of these are blue. So what I wanted to do was actually cut it out. So what's going to happen is I'm going to hit cut, and as you see, it turned it red, and you can see that it will create a cut in this cylinder right here. So what we can do is we can hit OK, but it is going to get rid of our polygon. So let's say you wanted to keep the polygon, but you wanted to cut out this material in this cylinder right here. So what we would do is we would check this box right here, and it would do keep tools. So what's going to happen when I hit OK is this is still here. However, if I hit the move command again, I'll go ahead and move it, and as you see, I have created a profile of this polygon that can fit inside the cylinder just by hitting that combine tool. Very neat. And there's some other modify tools that you can use as well. You can intersect something and so on and so forth, but you can also do things such as this. So you can go ahead and do, let's say we'll do a circular pattern. We're going to highlight this body that is separate from the cylinder. We'll go ahead and hit our axis. We'll go ahead and highlight the axis we want to go around. We'll go ahead and put like quite a few in here. And now let's say we want to put some teeth in here. So we're going to go to our combine, we're going to hit our target body, and then we're going to go our tool bodies. We're just going to highlight all these. Blah, 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 blah. And as you see, that's all red. And what I'm doing is I'm cutting them, but I don't want to keep these little tools right here. So what I would do is I would hit the check mark on this one, and boom, I would then have this crazy looking shape right here. So it's pretty neat because you can get rid of these little slices and cuts on the side of this cylinder right here. So there's other things that you can do. You can do combine with this. So you can intersect something. So basically what an intersect is, basically whatever is touching in between. So let's go ahead and create a cylinder right here. Go ahead and create a cylinder on top of this right here. We'll go ahead and do this. And now we'll go ahead and go right here. We'll get new body. Now we're going to go to our combine, and this time we're going to go to intersect. So basically when I highlight this and I highlight this, what's going to be left is everything that is touching those two in between. So you see we had more material of our cylinder up here and our polygon down here. But when we do intersect, it cuts off a portion that where both parts are not touching. So then when you hit intersect, you hit OK, and you have this body here. That's kind of how an intersect works in the combine tool. As I've said, this tool is very handy, very useful. If it's kind of a last minute thing, you say, oh, I needed to put a shape in here, but I forgot to do it. No worries, use the combine tool. Very, very handy to use when you can think of it, how to use it correctly. So that's it for this video. Hopefully this was hopefully this video was helpful. I hope to see you guys in more videos in the future. If this was helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, stay creative, guys.